Hi friends, this is Reva Brown and I'd like to share with you this Hebrew calligraphy tutorial that I've written. It is available for digital download at my website, and here's the address, www.livingletters.biz. There's all sorts of interesting things in the tutorial. Well, table of contents, right? Grids to work on, vocabulary, details of all sorts. Did you see that? There you go. Details of all sorts. And then there is very detailed instructions about each letter. You will see, I'm going to bring this up a little closer, the pen width, the direction of pulling the stroke, the name, and the position in the writing area, and each card, each letter gives you the 75-degree pen angle that almost all the strokes use. You also get these flashcards that I made with a Coit 3/8 inch pen, which is currently hiding from me. And it shows you the pen widths at the top. And in this case, in the Aleph, the strokes are made at a 45-degree angle, so it shows you that. The direction and order of the pen strokes, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it breaks down these individual strokes wherever that's needed. So you see it on the Aleph, you see it on the sheen, that's the sheen, that's the broken out stroke. And because you're watching this video today, you can go to the website and download this entire alphabet sheet with the order of the letter strokes, the name of the alphabet, the position within the writing area, the entire Aleph-Bet. This is a free gift to you. If you go to the website, you can download that. No charge. All right, so now I'm going to demonstrate the entire Aleph-Bet for you, along with their names. Think of how useful this would be if you just, maybe you're not Jewish, maybe you never went to Hebrew school. Maybe you just think these letters are pretty. Aleph. Maybe someone you know is getting married and they know you do calligraphy and they've asked you to do their ketubah. And you do not know how to letter Hebrew calligraphy. You would like to make sure that you get all of the letters correct because you also can't read Hebrew. So what you're doing is copying the shapes. That's a bet. This is a gimel. And when you're copying another language, it's easy to make a mistake out of ignorance. So this tutorial is here to help you get it right. It's a dalid. This is a hey. Vav. There's two different zayins, 1 and 2. Chet. Now here's a place it's easy to get it wrong out of ignorance. The hey does not join up to the top bar, whereas the chet does. Other than that, they look pretty much identical. Here's a tet. And on the download, I've given you an extra chet that you can use. Yud. Chaf. Chaf Sophie. This is the first letter that's got a descender. This is a lamed. Here's your first letter with an ascender. A mem. Mem Sophite. I'll make this a little longer. Here's another place to get it wrong. The nun looks a lot like the gimel, except the gimel has this leg here. Nun Sophite. I don't think I said the Sophite form is the form used when the letter appears at the last place in a word. Here's a samach. Ayin. It's hard to do these and talk. Pay. Pay Sophite. Sadi. Sadi Sophite. Kuf. Yes, all of that is a kuf. Resh. Shin. Tough. And there's the whole alphabet. And if you would like your own free digital download, go on over to www.livingletters.biz for your entire Aleph-Bet free download. And when you love that, make sure that you download the entire tutorial. There's a lot of pages, blah, 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 etc. They're all over the place. All right. Nice talking to you today. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.